Kerry is known across the food industry as a leader in all areas, including innovation and quality excellence. Similarly, Kerry Delta is dedicated to ensuring we produce the highest quality product that meets or exceeds our customers' expectations. The Kerry Delta Sensory Program is an integral step and our last opportunity in the process to confirm that our products are ready to create a pleasing and consistent experience for everyone who enjoys them. The sensory experience begins at batching. Once all materials have been added and mixed adequately, the Delta Quality Control Technician will take a sample directly from the tank. This sample is evaluated against a reference standard. The QC technician will compare the color, clarity, consistency, and taste of the batch sample against this standard. At this point, if there are any discrepancies, the batch makers can review their mixing procedures and make adjustments to the batch if necessary. Once the batch matches the reference standard, the QC technician will clear the new batch to continue in the process. Not only is sensory an important step in batching, the Delta team will remove a finished product sample to evaluate approximately 24 hours after processing. The QC technician will prepare a diluted sample in water to compare against the reference sample. Each sample is given a random 3-digit identification code to ensure the samples are not mixed up without introducing stimulus error for panelists who may be influenced by irrelevant information. Ballots are prepared with the matching 3-digit codes and reference sample. They are placed in the sensory booth for sampling. Our sensory panel is a cross-functional team of dedicated individuals who have undergone annual training to qualify them for this role. Panelists will carefully compare the prepared samples of finished product against the reference standard. It is important that panelists choose a consistent environment for their sensory evaluations, with as little external stimulus as possible. All samples are evaluated in the same lighting to reduce the impact of shadows and varying light intensities. As sensory is highly influenced by smell and aroma, the panelists will cleanse their palate by smelling the back of their hand and taking a sip of water between tastes. Each panelist will score the samples on a scale of in, just in, or out, which corresponds to a score from 0 to 2. A score of 2 represents a sample that is in, or exactly matches the reference. A score of 1 is used to describe a sample that is just in, and may need further evaluation. Finally, a score of 0 indicates that the sample does not match the reference sample and is not acceptable. Each sample is evaluated twice by 2 separate panelists. The sample must get a finished score of 3 or greater to be considered acceptable. Whenever a sample results in a cumulative score that is less than 3, further evaluation is undertaken. Examples of further evaluation include repreparation of the samples and/or a blind power duo trio test. The use of statistics are often employed in order to determine the fate of the product. Only the highest quality product that meets the sensory expectation of our customer leaves the Delta plant. The sample must pass sensory evaluation to be released or shipped to our customers. The sensory attributes of our finished product create the unique taste our customers have come to expect and enjoy. At Kerry Delta, we pride ourselves on our dedication and passion for crafting a unique flavor experience for our consumers. We are Delta proud.